In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have GA4 capturing activity from your funnels so you can measure traffic, conversions, and user behavior with confidence. First, head to analytics.google.com and sign in to your Google Analytics account. In the bottom left, open the admin area. Under the property column, make sure you're working with a GA4 property. If you don't have one yet, create it, then add a web data stream that matches the domain where your ClickFunnels site or funnel is hosted. This ensures data is attributed correctly. When the web stream is created, copy the measurement ID at the top. It looks like G followed by a series of letters and numbers. Now switch to ClickFunnels 2.0. From your workspace settings, open the Site and Blog app. Choose the site where your funnel lives, then open Site Settings. Scroll down to the Tracking Code section. Find the GA4 GTM Measurement ID field and paste in the measurement ID you copied. This connects your site to your GA4 property so page views and events can be recorded. If you want stronger data continuity, you can optionally use Google's measurement protocol. In GA4, you can create a measurement protocol API secret for your web data stream. Copy that secret and paste it into the API secret field in ClickFunnels. With this enabled, ClickFunnels can send some events server-side, which helps reduce data loss from browser restrictions and ad blockers. It's optional, but a good best practice for more robust tracking. Next, decide whether to turn on Add GTag.js script. Turning it on tells ClickFunnels to automatically inject the GA4 tracking script across your pages. Turn it off if you already load Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager or another script manager. Only one method should load GA to avoid duplicate hits and inflated metrics, so pick the approach you're already standardized on. Once your choices are set, save or update your settings. Changes may take a few minutes to propagate. To confirm things are working, open your site in a fresh browser tab and visit a couple of pages. Then, in Google Analytics, check the real-time view in Reports. If you see active users and page views from your device, your connection is live. If data isn't showing, double-check that the measurement ID matches your GA4 web stream, verify the correct site is selected in ClickFunnels, and make sure you're not blocking scripts with a browser extension. With that, your ClickFunnels site is now wired to GA4, giving you actionable insights to optimize your funnel performance.